Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Third grade learners, how are you today? I hope that you all are doing great. Welcome to Math, Miss Amani, from Al-Afaq International School, Jeddah, Virtual Learning Classroom. We are going to take the first lesson in topic 16, Understand Perimeter. Instructions, listen to the lesson's explanations, open your book on page 849, check your answers, raise your hand if you have a question. Our standard 3 measurement and data.d.8 solve real-world problems involving perimeters of polygons. Objective, find the perimeter of different polygons. First, we have to know the meaning of the perimeter. It is the distance around a figure. So if I have this figure is drawing on a grid, we are going to count all the unit segments that are making this figure to get here the perimeter. Count with me here to find the perimeter of this shape. Count all the unit segments that are making the figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So by counting all the unit segments that are around the shape, they are here 34. And the unit, what about here, the unit for this perimeter? Take the unit from the scale here. It tells me each one unit segment, it is equal to 1 foot. So here there are 34 feet. What about if we have polygon without here grid? How can we find the perimeter of it? We can find the perimeter of this shape by adding the length of the sides. To find the perimeter of this shape, we are going to count all the sides length. As you see here, it is 3, 6, 3, 9, 7. So here, if you add all of them together, 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus here plus 7, add all of them together, 3 and 6, 9, 9 and 3, 12, 12 and 9, it's 21, 21 and 7 will be here 28. The same unit here for each side length it is feet, so here take the same unit, so here it is 28 feet. So we can say we have two ways to find here the perimeter of the figure. If the figure is drawing on a grid, we can find the perimeter of it by counting all the unit segments. If you have here the figure without here grid, you can find the perimeter of it by adding all the sides length. Me here. On the book, he asked me in the first question, here, what's the perimeter of the garden shown in the diagram blue? As we said, to find here the perimeter of the shape that is drawing on a grid, just here by counting all the unit segments, if you count here all the unit segments that are making this figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All the unit sequence here are 18. So it is 18. What about the unit of this perimeter? Take the same unit from the scale. Tells me each unit segment equal 1 foot. So all of them 18 feet. And as you know, we can express feet by using what? Just ft. Second one, he told me what? In exercise 1, how do you know what unit to use of the perimeter? So here, as we said, we took here the unit from the scale. So the scale shows that 1 unit is 1 foot. Number here 3, he asked me what? Find the perimeter. As you see, this figure is drawing on a grid, so we can find the perimeter of it by counting all the unit segments. Count with me here. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All of them, they are 16 unit segments. So here it is 16. And as we know, we have to take the unit from the scale. Each unit segment shows for me 1 inch. So here they are 16 inches. And we can express here inches just by using what? IN. Number 4, to find here the perimeter of this shape. This shape without here grade. So we are going to add all the side lengths. So here we have to add 8 plus 8 plus 16 plus 7 plus 9. So here it is 8, 8, 16, and here 7, then 9. Add all of them together to get the perimeter of the shape. So here 8 and 8, 16. 16 and 16 here, 32, 32 and 7 will be 39, 39 and 9 will be 48. And they take the same unit for each side length here will be feet. So the perimeter of this figure is 48 feet. Get with me down in the same page. Here also he asked me find the perimeter of each polygon. As we know, if the shape is drawing on a grid, we can find the perimeter by counting all the unit segments. So here, by counting all the unit segments that are making this figure, all of them, okay, from the beginning to the end, you will find this. It is what? 38. And you take the same unit from the scale. So here, it is 38 meter. The same way here, to find the perimeter of this shape, we have to count all the unit segments that are making this figure. So here from the beginning to the end, move here around the shape, all of them, you will find the perimeter for this shape will be 28. And as we said, we have to take the same unit from the scale. So here it is what? Inches. What about here? The third shape that is drawing without grid. So here you can find the perimeter of it by adding all the side lengths. So here you have to add 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8. All of them will be together 34. So the perimeter for this shape, if you add all the side lengths, will be here 34 meters. the same unit that you have in the figure, you have to use it. It is 34 meters. By this way, we took the meaning of the perimeter, and there are two ways, as you see here, to find the perimeter. One way, if you have the figure that is drawing on a grid, you have to find the perimeter for it by counting all the unit segments around the shape. What about here? If the shape without here the grid, you can find the perimeter by adding all the sides lengths.